In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an approval process in Salesforce, a crucial skill for any admin looking to streamline workflows and enhance efficiency. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to locate the gear icon on your Salesforce interface and click on it to bring up a menu. From this menu, you need to select Advanced Setup. This action serves as the doorway to more sophisticated customization options within your Salesforce environment. Once you're in the advanced setup area, head over to the quick find box. This is your handy tool for speedy navigation. Type in approval processes to quickly bring up the relevant setup options. Next, it's time to decide on the object you wish to create the approval process for. This could be a standard object such as an opportunity, or any custom object you have configured. Choosing the right object is important, as it defines what kind of records will flow through your approval process. Now, it's time to create a new approval process. Simply click on Create New Approval Process, and from the options provided, select Use Standard Setup Wizard. This wizard will guide you through the rest of the setup, ensuring you don't miss any critical steps. Next, enter both a name and a description for your approval process. This is where you can get creative but also clear, providing context for anyone who might use or refer to this process in the future. You'll then need to establish the criteria under which a record should enter the approval process. Think about what conditions must be met for a record to be considered for approval. This could be based on specific values within the record or certain milestones being reached. Specify the approver field and record editability properties. This step involves determining who will be tasked with the approval of records and what editing capabilities the approver will have regarding the originating record during the approval process. Choosing an email template comes next. This template will be used to notify approvers when an approval request is assigned to them. Remember to select a template that clearly communicates the significance and urgency of the task to ensure timely responses. Now decide which fields you want to display on the approval page layout. This page is where the approver will review the request and make their final decision, so it's vital to include all necessary information without overwhelming amounts of data. Then you'll specify the initial submitters. These are the users who will have the ability to start the approval process by submitting records for approval. It's an important step to control who can initiate the journey across your carefully crafted approval path. Finally, don't forget to save your work by clicking the Save button. This finalizes your setup, ensuring all your configurations are applied and ready to go into effect for future records. And there you have it, your approval process is configured and ready to ensure that key business processes are verified and controlled efficiently. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more Salesforce admin tips and tutorials.